Yo, hello everyone, and namaste to the Indian viewers here. Welcome back again, your African boys. Myself, Gabi from South Sudan. Yeah, welcome my brother.
We from Sudan. I greet you all.
Yeah, so before everything, let's say Happy Republic Day to the Bharat, to the Indian people. So today they are celebrating the 75th.
75th?
Yeah, 75th Republic Day. Yeah, that is two-way. That is two-way.
26. 26.
75th.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, 20. You're speaking of the date. Yeah,
26 of January.
Celebrated. Yeah, every year, 26 January, and this is the 75th Republic Day. Yo, yeah, amazing, amazing, guys. So actually, this video is for 2023. So and the current video is going on. Like I think by now the ceremony would have been done, and this time I think it will be totally different from the previous one. Even 24 one, we did not find the video. We did not find. It's not there in YouTube, but it
Maybe after 2 or 3
Yeah.
days.
No, only we can find it in the Prime Minister page.
Okay.
But you will not get access, copyright,
Yeah.
copyright issue. So maybe this, I think this channel, maybe that guy he was there and he recorded. He has the
By
full
himself.
right by himself. Yeah, that is why he's not giving any copyright. So we are reacting from Debdut YouTube channel. So thank you for the video and something nice like seeing all the Indian.
Even the president from different countries.
Yeah, for 2023
Egypt.
from Egypt, that it show also the relationship they have
Between those countries.
between India and Africa.
Yeah.
I think India is having good relationship. Like Egypt is there, even that Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Zimbabwe, they are having good relationship with Zimbabwe, and another also I can say is Mauritius.
Yeah.
Mauritius and Ghana, because Mauritius they said is the only African countries that are having like much number of Hindu people.
Yeah.
So for
Even
sure.
South Sudan, the relationship.
Yeah, they have with South Sudan, but it's not that
Stronger.
much stronger. I think China is the one having much relationship with South Sudan.
With South Sudan.
With
yeah,
South
yeah.
Sudan more
Yeah.
than India.
Yeah.
Sudan with India is there relationship?
Yeah, but it's not that strong.
Not that stronger.
China, India, China and Sudan.
Yeah, China and Sudan. You know, China always like they target the small country which are trying to develop.
Yeah. That's right.
That
because
is true. Yeah.
A lot of petroleum in South
Yeah,
Sudan.
petroleum in South Sudan, and they are the one managing because they have a lot
Gold.
of the tools. The
Trade.
yeah, we don't have the machines, but we have people to work.
Yeah.
But I see Congo, Ghana.
Ghana.
Say Ghana and Mauritius, again Egypt and Zimbabwe. I can
Somal.
say. Somalia, exactly, Somalia.
Hyderabad.
Yeah,
Hey.
in Hyderabad, like I just came to know that in Hyderabad, you will think it's Africa. If you want to know how, like if you want to see the huge number of Africans, you can go
To
Hyderabad. That place is called what? Teleshoki.
Mahal Vietnam,
Yeah, you will
Teleshoki.
see a lot of Somalian. They are even having their own houses. They have they own their houses.
Even they got married.
Yeah,
They got
they
married.
have married, the intermarriage is there. So India is really having a lot of relationship, not only with developed countries but also with the African countries.
Yeah.
And it's something nice to know about their military, their traditional, their culture. And so anyway, we can say also congrats for the currently of not Prem Mandir, is Ram Mandir. Yeah, Ram Mandir currently they made it the opening or the inauguration. So congrats to all the Indian people and happy Republic Day. Love from Africa.